This is Jimit Shah and welcome to the Gyms Automation. So today we will understand the practical of interlocking. We have already understood what is interlocking in our previous class. So let's make a program and download in our control panel, and I already downloaded. So we'll see what is happening in actual control panel. So please note we have two inputs, input 1 and input 2, which is first push button and second push button. Okay, so this is my input number 1, this is my input number 2, first push button and second push button, which is connected to the input terminal of my PLC. And we have two outputs, output 1 and output 2, red LED light and green LED light. Okay, so these are my two outputs, red LED light and green LED light, which is connected to my PLC output terminals. Correct? So let me open the program here. Now program is already downloaded to my PLC, and we are online with the PLC. Can you see this green light? That means you are online with the PLC. This is the half program, but just for your better understanding, I did this. We'll improve this once I explain few points. So first thing, first push button, can you see this is the program for your first push button. So if I press this input number 1, my output number 1 will be on, and if I press this input number 2, my output 2 will be on, right? So let me make a program over here. If I press this, I have not released it, my output is on. Can you see that LED light, red LED light? Okay, so this is on. Now if I remove my hand from here, because this is a push button, so if I'm removing this, my output is still on. Okay, so my input is, even though it is off as of now, my output is on. Why? Because this is a push button, right? The same thing is happening over here. uh, we'll turn on this LED light with the help of second push button. So let me turn on this second push button and release it. So my LED light, second LED light is on, right? Here also my second LED light is on, but this is wrong. We are working on interlocking system. I don't want to turn on this both output at the same time. Suppose you have a motor, suppose you have a compressor on your field, and you don't want to turn on both at the same time, then this program is wrong as of now. We need to use the interlocking system. If this is on, and if I try to open this on this must be off automatically. And exactly this should happen reverse in opposite way. So what I'll do, as of now the program is wrong, my both the LED light is on as of now. Okay, so this is wrong program. So what I'll do, I'll change the program. So I'll go offline, and I'll click on OK and yes. Now I'm offline, I can change the program, right? So what I'll do, I'll take one NC over here. This is, I'll select this and I'll take the NC over here, and I'll select this and I'll take the NC over here also. This is the normally closed, and I'll give the addressing of this over here, and I'll give the addressing of this over here, cross, in a cross. So if I press this, this will become NO, so this supply will be off. And if I press this, this will become NO. Why? Because it is the same address. So if I press this, this will become NO, and my this supply will be off and my red LED light will be off, right? So now let's verify the program and go to communication, system communication, and I'll download this program to my physical PLC. Yes, yes. Change back to run mode. Yes. Do you want to go online? Yes. Right, so now I'm online with my PLC. Now let's turn on our first push button. So I'm pressing it and I'm releasing it. My first push button is on. Here also my first push button is on. Now as soon as I try to press this second push button, this must be off and this must be on. See, as of now my LED light is on. If I press this is off and this is on. Why? Because when I press this, let me press second once again. See, if I'm pressing this, this is becoming NO, so my supply of LED, red LED light is getting cut off. Okay, if I press second push button, my red LED light will be off, right? So now if I want to turn on this, if I press the first push button, let me press first push button over here. I pressed it and I released it. So if I press this, this will become NO. So this supply will be cut off. So my LED light will be off, right? So let me press again. See, can you see? Right? So this is how you can use the interlocking. My red LED light is on. If I press this, this is off, this is on. At the same time, both should not get on. If I press this, this is off, this is on. If I press this, this is off, this is on. Right? So we have used smartly the condition of NO and NC. That's it. This is a safety system required in an industry. Okay, this is a very important concept. We have not done anything like a rocket science. We have used simple NO NC technique and push button programming. That's it. So this is how you can understand the interlocking system, right? So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you.